Alright, so we're going to look at some chart action for UAMY. This is a user requested video. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so let's draw the top and the bottom. We got the top like this, and then we got the bottom like something like this. Alright, so we're in the monthly time frame right now, and this chart has gone back since 1980. So what I'm thinking is, if it can break this trend line right here, then we have a good pattern right here. I would probably target something around this. Maybe grab something like that and bring it to the breakout. I'm not sure when or if it's going to break out, but that's what I would do. Let us go further into the time frame. Let's go into the weekly time frame right now. So it looks like we got a big spike right here, and it looks like we're coming back down for a correction. Alright, so what I'm saying is looking a little bearish for as of right now. It just broke beneath the moving average, and if you go to the daily, we broke beneath the moving average right here, and we saw a big correction down so far. I'm wondering if we're going to get support right here, maybe at this 60-cent level. I was also thinking you can maybe draw a horizontal line, something like right here, from this resistance right here, this resistance right here, this resistance right here. So I'm also kind of looking at this level, like around somewhere in the 80-cent to 70-cent level. Maybe that'll get support. What I would wait for, though, if you're going to be buying back into this, or if you're shorting it right now, is I would wait for the price to go back above this weekly. Right now, we just broke beneath it. Let's see if it can get back above it. I'm not exactly sure what this company does. I have no idea anything about this. So yeah, but I would say if you are a long-term holder of this, once it breaks this trend line, you can probably see a good pump to the upside. You can see the price move in this triangle for the next few years. It's totally possible. It is possible some catalyst happens and it breaks this trend line, and like I said, it maybe can get a move of something like this target, possibly from this breakout, but I wouldn't count on that until it breaks out of this trend line. Alright, so one more thing. We're on the 4-hourly right now. You can see that we have this downtrend, and then we also have this kind of uptrend. So let's see what happens within the next day, if we can break up or down, and then that'll give us another idea of what to target. Another maybe pattern to look at would be maybe something like that. I would say if we go to the upside, probably look of a target of around $2.07 or something, maybe back up to this high. If we break to the bottom, probably look back down to this 25-cent level, I'm thinking now. But it is looking a little bullish, but at the same time, if you go to that weekly, that doesn't really, since we broke underneath that weekly, if we go to the daily, you can see that this moving average is way above here, and it's going to keep pushing this price down. I feel like the moving average is going to have to come down like this, and then the price is going to have to come bouncing in and out of here, and then maybe break through like that, and then we can see that this falling wedge target. It does look like a falling wedge, though. This kind of target, this pattern, something like this, but it also looks like it's about to break to the downside. So it might be something like, I mean, you might be looking at a target of 25 cents. I would wait before it breaks to the upside or to the downside before you make any moves. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys liked the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to keep up to date. But other than that, you guys have a great day.